Okay, today's lesson, 6.2, solutions to inequalities. So here's two examples. We're going to graph and determine some points that are solutions. So this first one, mx plus b form, so we're going to start at 4, y-intercept, and there's a 1 in front of the x, so that means to go rise 1, run 1. Okay, so that's the line. And because it does not include an equal sign, we're going to draw a dashed line. Okay, and then a less than, so we're angling downward. Okay, so state 3 solutions to this. So you can pick any points that are in this region. So solutions, for instance, 0, 0 would be a solution. Let's go with 9, 3 right here. We could include -1, -1. Okay, and not a solution. So an example of not, we could go -3, 8. Way over here. We could include -10, 0 over here. We could also state that any point on this line is technically not a solution. So for instance, 0, 4 is not a solution. So think about plugging it in, right? If you had 0, this side would be 4 and this side would be 4. Is 4 less than 4? No, that doesn't work. Okay, so the solutions, yes, they will obviously be in the shaded region, but they also mathematically will work. So this one doesn't have y isolated, so I would be dividing by -1. So y, and remember the rule, when you divide by a negative, it flips. So now this is also +6, and this is a -3. There's a -3, y-intercept, up 6 over 1. Okay, we do not have an equal sign, so we're dashed again. And we're greater than. So according to my graph, 0, 0 should work. I always test my points because I like to see that I shade it in the right spot. So is 0 greater than -3? Yeah. So 0, 0 works. -5, 1. We could go 1, 10 right here. Looks like it's in the zone. Not a solution. Do you need something? Do you need something?
I'm a sucker.
Just 5:30.
Okay.
Are you on the yard?
Yeah, unless Jordan will come a little later.
Okay, I'll text him.
Yeah, text him, maybe be close to finish, maybe home by 6 or so.
Oh, okay. Not a solution. You could pick 5, 0 wouldn't be in the zone. Let's go 3, -2. Wouldn't work. 10, 10 over here, that wouldn't work. Okay, also mathematically they don't work. 10 is not greater than 60 - 3. Okay, without graphing now, determine if the points are solutions to this inequality. So plug 1 in for an x and 1 in for a y. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Is 5 greater than 5? No. Okay. Next, plug a 1 in for x and a 0 in for y. So this is 2 greater than 5, so no, that does not work. And the last one, plug 1 in for x and 2 in for y. So that's 2 plus 6. So 8 is greater than 5, yes. Okay, why is the point 3, negative 2 not a solution to this statement? Even though when you do plug it in, 5 times 3 minus negative 2, which is 17. 17 is greater than 10. So that's true when you plug it in. So why can I not call it a solution? And the reason is that you have to consider this, and y does not fit that. Y is not an element of the whole numbers, so we have to exclude it. Okay, that's it.